Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you Blizzard Marble. So this is the hardest marble in the game. See it? Not because what? Sorry about this. I accidentally entered this place. What? I'm just going to do this hobby after that. I'm just going to include this in the title because why not? So people expect more out of me. Ha ha ha. Like what? Simple drawing, marble, and what? Doodle marker. Marker? Sorry. Doodle. So it's an advanced? What? That was one of the easiest hobbies in my entire life. There's a bank shop. How does that work? You just buy the bank for like $1, and then there, boom, go, you go. I guess it's kind of hard to take care of a bank, especially if you just got it from the poker or something. It is going to demonetize this video. I really do know it. Never got demonetized ever. So yeah, that happens. Bad reputation. Anyways, I just made my Roblox Forgotten Roblox game part 4. I'm not going to spoil anything, okay? But anyway, the Blizzard is just basically a more advanced part of the hobby. Yeah, I haven't finished it. Probably because when I first made the sword, I never knew what to do with it. Because I have shattered. Igloo, then all again. So the Blizzard is obviously a Blizzard. After that, the obbies are harder and stuff, they're more advanced and stuff. What do you know? Wait. Hey, Storm! You lied to me. There's no extracurricular activity. Whatever that means. Whatever that means. There's no extra hobby. It's just the normal hobby. Just a little control. Wow, this is so easy. Why didn't it work? Where did it go? Oh, this works. It makes it more clear by a little bit. And if you had done it more clear, I'm going to go back to grasslands and hopefully hopefully the Blizzard stops blizzarding, you know? No, it doesn't. Anyway, that's cool again. Yeah, I might not upload that much anymore. What? I got a log. What is the log supposed to do? Wait, remember this? What's in the Oh, that's fun. What is this? What is you? Oh god, this is advanced 100%. Or maybe even harder than advanced. Wait, is it Algadoo? I honestly think that's Algadoo. It's probably Algadoo, honestly. Yo! But the only thing that's terrible about this is that the hitbox is just so bad. It's so big. It's so big and so terrible. Like, why is the hitbox so terrible, man? Come on, find the marker zone. Find the marble zone. Please. Okay, so this might be my first insane. Bro, that's how Algadoo? That's the last one! Retro wave. I mean, it's advanced, which is good. But come on, man. First you make the hitbox impeccable, and then now you do this to me? Anyways, who actually listens to their English lessons? Or school, in fact? I do. Yesterday, last year. It doesn't really mean anything, but I will take it. No! I hate this! Why is it the way feeling like it's harder than Blizzard? Which I know it's not harder than Blizzard, but come on, it's almost. But the one thing that Shizlock sucks at doing is that it turns every time it feels like that you have been using shift lock in that direction already multiple times. No! That's the thing I hate about shift lock. This is so laggy. See? Try to murder me. People think that mobile phones are really obvious. It's not. It's useful. Log! No! How did I die? This won't move the block. That's illegal! This chip lock hate everything. Why is this supposed to be easy? It's supposed to be hard to play. This game is keeps switching up my camera. That I just do not know when to stop. No! Every time I do the laser, I die because I don't get the jump. finally do what the video was intended to do. Hey, let's see how large of an ego on beating this first try is now, Storm. I don't know why I beat Storm now. If I didn't mind that I would die and I would have been livid. Oh! Hey! Hey! I'm not dead! Yeah! Finally, I can do what the video is intended to do. Oh, okay, that's it for this video. Goodbye and see you next time.